The EOS 5D Mark II is the world's first digital SLR to shoot full HD movies. Here's what you need to do to prepare the camera for movie recording. First, use the mode dial to select a compatible shooting mode, such as P, TV, AV, or M. Next, to enable movie shooting, press the menu button and use the main dial or multi-controller to select the Setup to Menu tab. Use the Quick Control dial to highlight Live View Movie function and press Set. Use the Quick Control dial to highlight LV Function setting and press Set. On the LV Function screen, select Still Plus Movie and press Set. On the next screen, highlight Movie Display and press Set. Movies can be recorded when set to stills or exposure simulation display, but the aperture and/or shutter speed information will not be displayed on the bottom of the LCD screen. Only the over-under exposure indicator will be displayed, and you will not be able to manually adjust exposure. Exposure is fully automatic in all exposure modes except manual. Aperture can be controlled in AV mode, and shutter speed can be controlled in TV mode using the main dial. Select movie recording size and pick from three settings: Full HD 1920 by 1080 at 30 or 24 frames per second, or 640 by 480 at 30 frames per second for smaller file sizes, longer recording times, and/or viewing on a standard television screen. To prepare for movie recording, press the Live View Movie button on the back of the camera to display the live view image on the camera's LCD screen. Focus the camera manually or by using one of the three Live View AF modes. AF Quick Mode will not function during movie recording. AF Live Mode and Face Detection AF Mode work while recording but are slower to focus. Therefore, it is best to focus the camera before you start recording. Select the desired picture style before recording begins. The default picture style is standard, but neutral is recommended for best results if you plan on modifying image quality during post-processing. Other picture styles such as portrait, landscape, and monochrome can be selected for special effects. For maximum control of exposure, be sure to set the camera to manual mode. This will allow you to set shutter speed, aperture, and ISO independently based on the effects you are trying to achieve. Finally, press the Set button to begin recording. A small red dot will appear on the top right of the LCD screen. Press the Set button again to stop recording. Maximum recording times for individual movie clips are approximately 12 minutes in full HD and 24 minutes for standard definition.